Hello, everyone, and welcome to Turning Lemons into Lemonade, Self-Managing Your Arthritis Pain. My name is Becky Turner, and I am the Director of the Area Division for Chronic Pain Treatment, and most specifically for arthritis pain. Our organization is located in Queen Creek, Arizona, where we offer a wide variety of healthy living classes to help promote the ideal lifestyle for the aging senior as they navigate the natural occurrence of arthritis pain that can come from aging and other health-related problems. So, if you fit this description or are a caregiver to someone who does, I'd like to share a few ways that we can help you or your loved one to self-manage their arthritis pain without the use of addictive pain medication. Did you know that there are currently 58.5 million adults living in the U.S. suffering from arthritis pain? That number is expected to grow. If you or someone you know is concerned about the risk of addictive pain medication as their only means of addressing the pain, we are here to assure you that there are many additional options that are available to you. Our very own Janice Kincaid, who is an advocate for self-management control for arthritis pain, describes the following. 20 years ago, my life took a hard right turn. I started to have arthritis pain. Within 5 years, I had to quit my job, could barely walk, had major stiffness and fatigue every morning and evening, and my joints were progressively being damaged. I cycled in and out of depression and was concerned about the harmful effects of pain medication. Would I become addicted? After researching and taking various classes on the self-management of my arthritis pain, I got so excited. I knew this is what I needed to do. So I turned this lemon into lemonade. I got very involved in arthritis advocacy and research. I currently share my passion, experience, and knowledge and contribute to improve the lives of people living with this chronic condition. And the bonus for me is that I feel better. Now, instead of being depressed, I find the more I do, the better I feel. And the better I feel, the more I can do. My lemonade tastes sweet. Would you like to turn your lemons into lemonade, have better control of your pain, and an improved sense of well-being? Well, we can help. Some of the classes we offer are classes on using your mind, understanding your emotions, guided imagery, yoga, physical activity, weight management, helping with sleep, evaluating treatments, and working with your health care professionals. We are so excited to have you join us. We promise you that if you open your mind to trying new things to manage your pain, you will find something or some things that will help you. Thank you for listening today. We thank the National Council on Aging for their support and resources.